Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's using this Canva feature how to reimagine your photos. So all you have to do right now is open your Canva in the web. So you can create new design here. It's up to you. You can use a whiteboard or document. So you can search the photo here in the toolbar. So maybe you want to search by people keyword here. So you want to change the one of these people uniform. Try the free one, not a pro one here. Hey, maybe this guy. I want to change his shirt. So let's see here. And then you can edit image here. You can click it. Wait for a second. And use this feature, Magic Edit here. So you can use the click or you can use brush. Here you can click it only his uniform here, but it's easily used brush here. Just make things easier. Just adjust the brush size. So smaller, I think the better. You can clear it if you have or you mess up. So if you done brush the shirt of this guy, you can describe what you want. For example, a soccer or football jersey generate. So you have to wait. So this is the result. So if you think this is looks awful, you can try again. Let's try another theme. Let's try to police uniform. Generate again. Here the result. So please free to try this magic edit of Canva a design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. See you in the next video.